Health is not a sprint. It's a marathon, Jen. You know that. You got this. Nutrients for immune system support, heart health, and energy metabolism. But remember, you have more than regular energy. It's Jennifer Lopez energy. Or J-Lo energy. Seems forced. Jenny from the block energy. Overdone. Jenergy. Visit Goli.com today. Jenergy! All right, Ashwagandha. Help a girl out here. Breathe, Jen. We're not letting in stressed Jen. Because everybody loves
Zen Jen. Yin Zen. Jen.
the Jen.
Hello?
Visit Goli.com today.
Zen Jen.
I know it was a busy day, Jen. And now it's you time. Time for Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha. You brought good into the world today, Jennifer. You absolutely rocked it.
Relax.
You are strong. Smart, worthy, beautiful. Just chill.
Ashwagandha.
Visit Goli.com today.
This is a Goli apple cider vinegar gummies.
Goli Gummies.
Goli Nutrition.
Goli Gummies.
Apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar.
Goli.
That's why Goli created the world's first apple cider vinegar gummies.
You know, when I try to drink it, it just like, even when I dilute it in water, I hate it.
I take them 3 times a day, and they give you all of the benefits of traditional apple cider vinegar.
They are vegan, even though they're a gummy, they're gelatin-free.
And they're great for you. They're filled with antioxidants, and they also help me with my gut health and with weight
It
management.
helps me kind of curb my appetite too when I be wanting to do a little too much snacking, but it definitely gives me energy.
And I'm so happy that there are these products that are good for us and that do good, and that's a win-win.
I take Goli every single day, and it has changed my life for good, and the world needs to know about it.
No gallons of celery juice. With Hydroxycut, there's no fads, just results.
Want to get back to you again? Make it easy on yourself with delicious, nutritious Slim Fast and shed those newfound pounds. How? However you want. With our clinically proven plan, choose from keto, advanced, or original. Use our app, make it easy. Grab a friend, make it fun. Let's Slim Fast together. Control your hunger, control your day. Take your life back. Give us a week. We'll take off the weight and keep it off. Text BeMe to 44123. Download the app and start today.